Hey everyone, I've got another lock clamped up for you. This time we're looking at this Faultless, and it was pinned up by Longs, I guess. And it is called Frightful Faultless. The frightful part is in the bitting. Pretty extreme bitting here in the middle. But you stick that key in there, that thing works pretty smooth when you turn it to the right. Not so much when you turn it to the left. You kind of got to give it a slow wiggle. But anyway, that is a hellacious bitting on that key. And don't know if I mentioned it or not, but this one came from Zombie Lock. Zombie, I really appreciate all those locks you sent. And man, I've got a little bit of a surplus of stock locks going on here, so I might even need to trade some stock locks out myself after that estate sale, and then a very generous parcel from Zombie and my last couple of eBay purchases. I'm sitting pretty well. I could probably go for some more trades though. I can always go for some more trades. I'm always working on trades. Got a couple clicks out of the back. I think that was pin 4. Pin 5 doesn't want to budge. We'll click off of 2. I've got a slight false set off of 3. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. A little kind of rotation on 4, I guess. Yep. Very slight. A little bit of movement off of 5. Oh, that put me into a deep false set off of 1. Counter rotation on 3. Nice and slow. Just kind of walking up. There we go. All right. So let us see what is in this Frightful Faultless. Great feedback. Always makes for a funner lock. Man, good stuff here. Alright, so I could use my little tailpiece tool, but sometimes I find it easier just to stick a pick in it. And it just shoots out on me. But there's the pin, and there's the spring. Not sure if there's any T-pins in it, but I might as well shim it. It is a challenge lock. If I can hang on to it, I'll grab my follower and put it in the lock. And there we go. No T-pins, so we could tell that because all the construction holes haven't been filled. And it looks like I got threads only on chamber 3, but I'll zoom in on the plug and show you that. I've got a single serration on 1, lots of serrations on 2, a single serration on 3, it's got a single serration on 5 or 4, and then 5 is a standard. Okay, looking at the plug, you can see the serrations only on chamber 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the top. Got serrated. With a copper spring. I've got another serrated, almost looks like a factory serrated. Having difficulty trying to get that spring out. There we go. I've got a spool with a real sharp lip on it for chamber 3. And a pretty heavy duty copper spring. 4 is a serrated spool with copper spring. And we'll just flip this around and make getting 5 out a little bit easier. Well, you can see the spring first, I guess. But it is another spool. Alright, let's go ahead and shine the light on the subject here. And I don't see any modifications inside the Bible. But then again, the caps aren't removed either. Alrighty then, so let's go ahead and zoom in. And show you these pins. Got a serration on one with a very lightly serrated above it. Copper springs all throughout, by the way. A serrated on 2 with, looks like a factory serrated. Then I've got a serrated on 3 with a really nice spool. I really like that spool. The top's got a little bit of a reduced diameter. Would help it lean just a little bit more in the chamber. Then I've got, well, I thought that was a serrated all the way across. It's a partially serrated, that's interesting. On 4, and then another kind of a mushroom serrated spool. Then a standard, and then a spool. All very fun and very nice homemade pins. Zombie, thank you for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it, and I've really enjoyed it. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.